There he goes. Got his tongue out. Hey, Bubba. Yeah, eating dinner. It's taking an hour, so the movie's paused. Bubba. Hey, Will. Will. Look up, look up. Anna.
Where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Okay, careful. You know, don't knock your milk over. Don't knock Mommy's milk over.
I want milk.
Okay, well, eat your salad and I'll get your milk.
Look how big you gave me as a vacuum.
Well, no, not in your mouth. No, you don't.
I can't really get these pieces up. And the carrots are too chewy for me, so I don't really want them.
Eat your carrots. No, you have to eat them.
No, I don't want them.
Alright, that's all for that. Say hi, Molly. There's Molly. Give Will a big... Okay, Molly. And there goes Will, off to find Mom.